Imagine unlocking the door to your next dream home without the usual financial hurdles that we all hate. What if I told you there's a lesser known yet powerful strategy that can make this a reality? Today, we're diving into the world of mortgage recasting, a game changer for those home savvy buyers, especially if you're living in a home and going to the next home. Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner and founder of RealConnect Realty. With over a decade of real estate experience, especially in Staten Island and Jersey, I'm here to help you with all of your real estate needs. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is a mortgage recast? Simply put, it's a financial maneuver that allows you to lower your monthly mortgage payments without refinancing your home. That's right, same good interest rate. By making a large lump sum payment towards your loan principal, your lender then recalculates your monthly payment based on the new reduced balance, extending your current interest rate and loan terms. Interested in how you can leverage a mortgage recast for your next home purchase? Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. Number 1, assess your current financial standings. Before anything else, review your savings and investment accounts. You'll need a substantial sum for the lump sum payment without compromising your financial security. Number 2, contact your mortgage lender. Not all lenders offer recast options. Reach out to yours and inquire about the possibilities and the specific terms, including any fees. We always want to know about the fees, right? Number 3, crunch the numbers. Calculate the potential benefits. With the reduced monthly payments, does it offset the upfront loan sum? How does it compare to refinancing? Is this a good fit for me? There's a bunch of questions. Number 4, avoid the sale of buyer property contingencies. With the recast, you can potentially avoid trying to purchase your new home to the sale of your current one. This is crucial in a competitive market where sellers might not favor contingent offers. Next up, make the lump sum payment. Once you decide to proceed, you'll make the lump sum payment towards your mortgage principal. The lender then will adjust your monthly payments accordingly. Then, next up, proceed with your home purchase. With your monthly obligations reduced, you're in a better position to secure financing for your next home, potentially without needing a buyer's contingency. I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner and founder of RealConnect Realty, where we're all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you. If you are thinking about making a move in 9 days or 90 days, give me and my team a call. We cannot wait to help you. Stay connected.